Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Acres Biosciences, and this is the weekly chart of it. Because the stock has been falling down since last 3 or 4 years, it is quite fortunate that we could call it as a bear trend, but the way the stock is moving right now and the kind of current market situations we have with such high volatility could give you some smart trade if you know how to deal with this. Okay, so first and foremost, what you need to know is your support level, which the stock has made in this particular year. So as you can see, this is basically a formation, a probable formation of double bottom, which is very positive technical trend. So understand this. These are your final lows. Okay, if the stock falls below these levels, one should not carry any position. As simple as that. And this will be the stop loss, strict stop loss, which one must follow. Okay. Right now, it is near to its support level or at the support level, and if it turns on the upside, then you will have your first target or big target or resistance at 7.11. So you will directly have 200 or 300% of rise in a quick time, obviously. Okay, if the market support you. Now this is about the current trend, but if you look at the overall trend, you will find something like this. Okay, you will find something like this, and this trend line will go as high as $13. Okay, or in between $7 and $13 you have uh, $9 as well as your next support. Now these are the levels. We don't know which will be the resistance, and the stock start correcting because the stock never went up in the last 2 or 3 times. The stock never went up above $7, so this will be the big resistance which we could probably see. But if this time the stock started moving up, then you have three resistance level or targets: 7, 9 and 11, 13, beg your pardon. But the actual fun starts if the stock started moving above 13. Okay, so you have your resistances in between 7 and 13, but if the stock started moving 13, then you will have 23. I will not go above 23 for the time being. Let the stock move above 23, because if the stock move and sustain above 23, then the next targets will lead you to probably 3 digits. Okay, so that's how the trend could probably move on the higher side. But the first and foremost, the most important thing one need to understand here is maintain your strict stop losses in between 1.69 1.57. This is up to you, whichever you will think will be the easiest one to follow. And on the upside, you can trail your stop losses, and I have uh, talked about the target levels. You can follow that, and let's see how the trend will play out. If it goes on the downside, obviously you can simply move out with your stop losses, no question asked. But the kind of trend we have right now, if it started moving on the upside, obviously the kind of trends we have seen in lots of stock, and if it is one of them, then obviously it is poised for a big turnaround. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.